it to reconstruct its values in order to catch up with the changes in the technological order, and organized education has a major role to play in reducing the gap between the values of the culture and technology, according to Ornstein 1984. So, based on Theodore Brummel, social reconstructionist is an idea that education should help students to solve problems in our society. Dili lang daw sa eskwelahan itudlo nga kung unsa ang sakto sa tinuod, but also on how to solve problems in our society. And Brummel believed that the world has changed a lot from farming down to from farming and small town cities and technology, but our values haven't changed fast. Because of this, people are confused and society is facing many problems. Brummel said that schools should not just teach facts. Instead, they should teach students understand what's wrong in the world, like poverty, racism, and inequality, and teach them how to solve these problems. Dapat ang goal ko sa students kay dili lang bitaw like we are studying to have a professional job. We are studying because we need to learn how to solve the problems in our society. Muna ang point view ni Brummel ni Theodore Brummel. Dapat daw sa atong pagsunod sa eskwelahan, dili lang daw ta ma-learn on what are the facts or the truth about sa atong facts and truths, but also to learn how to solve the problem in our society. He believed that if schools only teach what society already believes, they will just pass on the same problems. So education should help students think critically, ask questions, and take action. Si Brummel, nagtuo siya nga, kung ang estudyante kay tunduan, di ba, more on ang itundo sa ato kay from the past. Kung itundo na daw sa tuwa is from the past, more na sa daw pagbalik sa karaan ng problema. Dapat sa daw, tunduan sa daw mga estudyante nga, will think critically and how to face the problem, kung sa ang problem yung gina-face na to karon sa tuwang society. And next is, the social reconstructionist asserts that schools should critically examine present culture and resolve inconsistencies, controversies, and conflicts to build a new society, not just change society. Do more than reform the social educational status. Sorry, you? Do more than reform the social and educational status quo. It should seek to create a new society. Humankind is in a state of profound cultural crisis. If schools reflect the dominant social values, then organized education will more than transmit the social ills that are symptoms of pervasive problems and afflictions that beset humankind. The only legitimate goal of a truly human education is to create a world order in which people are in control of their own destiny. In an era of nuclear weapons, the social reconstructionists see an urgent need for a society to reconstruct itself before it destroys itself. So, mo nga kanang dapat daw wala kong i-imagine naman kanang dapat din daw ang i-examine sa schools is ang present bitaw, like ang present na itong culture karon. Kaya di ba naagin na po kay like naging po mga subjects na more sa past. Dapat kuno mag-focus daw tapos sa kung sa ang present karon. Kung sa ang problema ang past, dili na nato nga kung sa ang problem sa past, technological era is an era of interdependence, and so education must be international in scope of global citizenship. So as we all know nga, kanang sa karon nga era is kanang we're more on technology, di ba? Like, murag halos tanang gamit mo to kay more on technology na, and kanang so, yung makita ka sa nato, di ba, na nausa sa problem na to is ang technology. Kaya sometimes, people keeps on relying on technology and murag malimtan na nila kung say that they are kanang human and they are capable of doing things na kanang kayang sumagot sa technology. So for the social reconstructionist, education is designed to awaken students' consciousness about social problems and to engage them actively in problem solving. So, social reconstructionists are firmly committed to equality or equity in both society and education. Barriers of socioeconomic, class, and racial discrimination should be eradicated. They also emphasize the idea of an interdependent world. Equality of life needs to be considered and enhanced on a global basis, according to Ornstein in 1984. So, mo to siya, ang point na yun ni Theodore Bramwell kay when it comes to studies, teachers should teach children students on how to solve problems, which is ang problems sa karon, dili ang sa past. Dapat dili lang daw kay more on, diba, ang itulong sakto, inana, but they are not there are some teachers na dili katuruan kung sa pag-solve ang problem. Murag ang gusto ni Theodore Bramwell kay kanang sa kung unsa man ang problems na ma-face nato, we are kanang ready na bitaw kay sa school pa lang kay gituluan na tato masawa pag-solve ana na problems. So comments like Jack Dewey and George Counts, social reconstructionist Bramwell believe in active problem solving as a method of teaching and learning. So ang parehas kang Jack Dewey, ang kanang active problem ko no, ang pag-solve ko no sa mga active problem is usa ko daw siya sa method kung unsaon pagtudlo o unsaon pagkaton sa mga tower, kita na mga nasa school, isang naa sa gawas. And social reconstructionists are convinced that education is not a privilege of the few but a right to be enjoyed by all. So ang social reconstructionist daw kay kani siya kay para daw ni sa tanan. Dili lang today siya mahapad. It does not happen only inside the classroom or in the schools, but also sa gawas pod kay according to Bramwell ang problems kaya sa world ang atong need niya. So and education is a right that all citizens regardless of race and social status must enjoy. So dapat ay ang pagkatong sa kung saan pag-solve ng problems kay dapat i-enjoy daw nato. Ma-enjoy na ba ang pag-solve ng problems? Diba dili to? Dapat daw i-enjoy daw nato. Diba dili na to ma-solve ang sa problema if we're not doing it. Yes. Okay. We are also part of the problem sa akong society. Dapat i-enjoy daw nato. So let's move on to Paulo Freire. So, kang Paulo Freire is iyang kay critical pedagogy. Kang Theodore Bramwell, yan sa tiyaha?
Social
Unsa man to ang pasabot sa social reconstructionist? Very good. Teachers should not just only teach about the past, but also the past, the facts, or the truth, but also by solving the problems sa kung sa kung i-face ka. So, punta kang Paulo Freire. So, kang Paulo like social reconstructionists believe the systems must be changed to overcome oppressions and improve the human conditions. So, mamaw na sila ni Theodore Rommel, si Paulo Freire nga, dapat kapag yan tayo mga non-critical theorists, pareha sa mga social reconstructionist na dapat nakakay ma-overcome na changes sa atuang sa kanang changes kay like change like ma-improve na to ang atuang human conditions. Next is education and literacy are the vehicle for social change. In this view, humans must learn to resist oppression and not become its victims, nor oppress others. To those who requires dialogue and critical consciousness, the development of awareness to overcome domination and suppression. Rather than teaching is banking, in which the educator deposits information into students' heads. Freire saw teaching and learning as a process of inquiry in which the child must invent and reinvent the world. So, gikriticize ni Paulo Freire ang banking model of education. Kay, in this model daw, teachers just deposit. Igura daw nag-deposit ang mga teachers. They only deposit information to students daw. They only deposit information in the students' minds like putting money in a bank. Kaya mga motto,ag-criticize niya kay sa banking model daw kay only murag nag-deposit ra bitaw. Like sa banko, igura daw naghatag o nagtulong ang mga teachers sa una-una or sa minds sa usa ka students. Freire said this was wrong because it treats students like empty containers. No, kay kanang di ba sa bangko sige hatag, di ba kung empty ka so dito ka mapuno. Kay kanang sa ka ay empty ka. Sa magkapuno empty ka. So empty ka, di ba? If you are empty, kanang permit jud ka sudlan like a cup of kanang water, di ba? Like a glass. Kung wala to siya sud, masudlan mo siya. So ang inana ang teachers like they are only down. And instead, he believed in dialogue, a two-way conversation between teacher and students. He wanted students to become aware of the world around them and learn how to change it for the better. He called this critical consciousness. So, nito siya sa kanang two-way process, which is kanang conversation ang sa teacher o ang students. And muna yung gitawag og change, muna yung gitawag og critical consciousness. Which is the ability to understand problems in society and take action to fix them. So, Theodore Rommel and Paulo Freire is kanang connected na more on